never seen this before. I have never seen sunflower. I don't think I've ever seen sunflower in Dollar Tree, but we're just at the top of January, and Dollar Tree has their gardening stuff out already. Um, Pots. You got your strawberry, the basil, the tomato, daisies, more sunflower and coneflower, which is echinacea, by the way. When you grow this, you can use it. If it's, I think it's the same variety. You can use it, for immunity, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, and whatnot. And they have these flower rockets. I've never tried these before. I might get one today. I'm not really supposed to get anything. I'm actually on a real no spin situation. Um, I've never had one of these before. Let's see. We have painted daisy, zinnia mix, the parsley, the sweet basil, thyme, and dill. And then they have the smaller pots, and then they have those watering things, and these more containers or planters. Um, then they have the seed starting greenhouse situations. Then the kneelers, the gloves, which I always try to get at least one or two of, although I don't use them all the time. And then they have the covers, like when you're over the wintering your plants or vegetables or something, or and when you want to keep the critters, the pests and the critters away from it. Then, then they got peppers, hot peppers. I'm trying to see what they have that they've never had before. I'm seeing everything. They usually have oregano, parsley, sage. Do I have sage? I think I have sage. There's a couple of things that I don't have, but I was stuck on not getting anything because I have so many seeds that I really need to use. Some of them are semi-expired and expired and by industry standards, I guess. But I pretty zinnias down here. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Those are the colors that I like right there. Here's another one. Here's another sunflower. Yeah, this is the first year they had sunflower. This is the first year for sunflower. Here's some more daisy, Shasta daisies. I'm sorry, I can't see where the. Okay, Shasta daisies, the snapdragon. I have all of these. Anyway, I have all of that. But yeah, that is really cool. Yeah, this is the first year that our in my area has had um, daisies. Excuse me, the sunflower. As a matter of fact, I see that the marigold, which is normally in the box, they have them in this in the packet this time. So that's cool. I say, well, that's a change. Oh, Cosmos. I thought those were nasturtiums. I was gonna get those. Now that I think I'm low on. I did an inventory not too long ago. Oh, and another thing, African daisies is another something that they don't normally have. I think I have alyssum, so I'm not gonna get that. Cottage garden, I love stuff like that when they do the mix like this. This is really good. Um, and look, they're four for $1, not the four for $1.25. So that is cool. So they got chives. My chives usually come back every year, so not a problem. Cilantro, dill, basil. They got 4 beans. string beans, you know. Uh-oh, sorry guys. I have my camera on a different setting, and it's causing me to not know where I am. So we got beets and broccoli, cabbage, cantaloupe, cucumber, cauliflower, carrots, different lettuces, and peppers, peas, onions. Yeah, I have just about everything. There's something that I am missing. I was trying to see what type of tomato this was. Oh, beefsteak? It's like a, huh. Oh, okay, I'm getting ready to say, I know that's not what I'm seeing. I apologize. Like I said, I can't, what kind of, is this a big watermelon or a sugar baby? Oh, this is sugar baby. I have sugar baby, I think. I don't want to buy anything. I'm really on a no buy. So I think these are, and remember, these are non-GMO. Let's see, because I'm just trying to see if these are, when I say sugar baby, is it just miniature to dwarf? Okay, up to 8 pounds and 8 inches. That's not the small one. I want to grow the small ones again. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to show us this. Let's get over here to the next section. I want to get some of these this year. Even though, like I said, I caught myself on this no spin situation, but let's see what they have. This is so pretty. I love poinsettias, and it reminds me of things, crafty things that my mom made when we were younger. This is so beautiful. I like things like that. I was walking earlier and I saw somebody had like Christmas trees, but they were the metallic silver ones. You know, that metallic one. And I just smiled because I love metallics. I am a fool for the shiny and whatnot. Not garish or tacky or anything like that, but I do love the what's the jiggle. So here we go with more planters. I'll start at the very top. Planters and watering cans. And this is a 4th color of the watering can. Then they have these. I have some of these I have not even used yet. Prayerfully, by God's grace, I'll use them this year. And then you got the food. Then you got the hummingbird feeders, the hooks, the garden hooks. I said I was going to start in a different way. I love getting these. I probably would get the bicycle. This is new to me anyway. I love bicycle motifs or bicycle whatsamajigums. They got 3 colors of the bicycle. So it's not just the pinkish purple blue, but they have an orange and a green. Oh my goodness. What color is this one back here? I think that one is the green back there. Oh, I'm excited. I should get that now, but I really didn't come for that. I just came to get some chips, actually, for salsa and to make nacho situations. Anyway, so this is I think this is new with the fleur de lis on it. For you Louisiana fans. And then of course they still got the metal ones, the French, just with the French design. And the square planters, the window planter the size. Oh, they only have 1 color this year. So this must be the color of the year too. I need to check that out because I see that this color, that tealish, it's not even coming up at the same as what I see. It's pretty. So anyway, this I think that's teal. I see they only have 1 color. Wait, let me check. Because normally they have pink, blue, green. Oh, so it looks like they might have. Oh, okay. Here we go. Different colors. Okay. So these are 2 new colors that they have. Oh, I'm tempted to buy, guys. I'm tempted. Let me try to put this back. It's not going back, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to mess up anything, but then you got your trowels and your little what's my jiggums. Here's some of the garden fences. They got the what do you call these? The saucers or the bottoms to the various planters to water from and to keep you from damaging places. And then more gloves. And I think that's all for this for the what's my jiggle for now. But that's cool. So January they put their stuff out. So you better get to Dollar Tree if you need any of these. Oh, and this is the okay. So I got the mini planter last year. So this is the was this size available? I can't remember. I would probably because I did like that mini one that I used. I think I did 9 of them. Yeah, I think I did about 9 or so. Now this I might get, but I'm not gonna get it now because I have more than enough. Although I do want this year, even if I can, and I might not because I'm trying to do no spend. I'm definitely trying to save money for something. I like to do that. Challenge myself to save money to get things that I want or whatever. Something special that I want to buy. These are also really good to get. Now this I might. No, I'm not gonna get anything. I didn't come for it. Number one, and two. I have certain things. I'm still planning out my garden and whatnot. So, yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. So, but I did like these. So maybe if I decide to, it'll be sometime later that I get the. I'm sorry. Let me see if you really can tell what I'm talking about, just in case you don't know. This is like the green stalk in miniature form. They do have, or they did have a bigger one, I think, but or it's just the size. But anyway, I had the mini ones I bought last year in this color, and I did love it. It wasn't bad, still have them, of course. I like these self-watering or whatever. But so the next thing, I guess this is really it, but these are cute too, just the little garden figurines, stuff to put inside your planters. I love a charming, whimsical garden and whatnot. Oh, this that fairy garden stuff. People who make fairy gardens, which I'm not all that familiar with, but I do have these mushrooms. I did put out. I think I only had 3, and I think I put all 3 of them out. In my garden last year. As a matter of fact, they're probably still out there. I need to get that taken care of. But anyway, just wanted to show you the garden. The Dollar Tree is live and direct. No, they have their gardening stuff out in case you're a gardener and interested, or you plan on gardenings this year. They have their seeds. Everything is ready for you. Only thing I see that they don't have yet is soil. But it's January. I don't know if I remember them having it, putting out stuff like this early. I don't know. But nonetheless, it's out here. So the couple of things that I noticed was different is, like I said, they have sunflowers, which I don't usually have in my area. I've never seen them. And number 2, the marigold is usually in something bigger, not that smaller situation. And the soil is different, and the new color, this teal-ish color or whatever. Yeah. So anyway, I will drop off here with these guys because I love them. They're so whimsical and cute. I always love to get these, little whimsical things. Look at this little guy, Ribbit, and I don't know what this guy says, but and Slow Turtle. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you very much. Bye-bye for now. Well, let me just do a little pan just to be sure. Just to be sure. Just to be sure. Just to be sure. Yeah. Yeah, I think we got everything. All right, so we'll come back here, stop here, and another thing that's different is hot greens. The hot, the hot, hot mix. I think is this? I mean, I know I got one of these year before last. Maybe it was, maybe because I know I got two of them. I got the microgreens and the one that's arugula. I don't know if they say called it hot mix, but anyway, these are really good. Oh, I love these on sandwiches, on salads, and stuff like that. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye for now.